copying Daddy? You copying him? Is it going away? Oh, bummer. Oh, bummer. Oh, bummer. Oh, good thing it's a box of toys.
That's not my phone.
Oh, bummer. The music's all gone. No more rocking out, baby. I'm really bummed that it wasn't recorded and you rocking out. What are you going for? Hey, that's inappropriate.
Quit trying to get in Daddy's pants.
You weirdo. You're dork poops. I'm gonna stop recording. She's not doing anything cool anymore. Lotus, honey, can I get a baby smile before we go? Lotus? What, you want Daddy's phone? There's a baby smile as she's mischievously trying to get to his phone. Look at that beautiful baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at you go. That was technically a crawl, honey. See, when there's no music, she does it for a second and then she stops. We're gonna say bye-bye. Lotus, that's a good picture. Hey, Lotus. Hey. Lotus, yeah, look. What a good picture of those eyes. What a good picture of those eyes. Yeah.